Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into managing volunteer schedules and tasks in ClickUp, your complete guide for 2025. Step 1 is to create a new project for your volunteers. This helps us because it keeps all volunteer-related tasks and schedules in one place, ensuring clarity and organization. From your ClickUp dashboard, select New, then Project, and title it Volunteers. The next step is to create tasks for your volunteers. Click on New Task in your Volunteers project and start adding tasks. This is where you can outline all the jobs that need to be done. You can also assign these tasks to specific volunteers, ensuring everyone knows what they're responsible for. Now that we've done that, let's move on to Step 3, setting up schedules. In each task, click on Due Date to add the date and time for when the task should be completed. This helps us because it provides a clear deadline for volunteers, keeping them on track and ensuring tasks are completed in a timely manner. Our final step is to communicate with your volunteers. In the comments section of each task, you can leave notes or instructions for your volunteers. This is important as it maintains open communication and gives volunteers the chance to ask questions or give feedback. To wrap up, managing volunteer schedules and tasks in ClickUp is a breeze with these steps: creating a project, adding tasks, setting up schedules, and effective communication. Remember, organization and clear communication are key when managing volunteers. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in our next video.